Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all having a wonderful day. I'm so excited to share another beautiful Christmas craft ideas with you. If you love easy DIY projects that look elegant, can be made at home, then you are in the right place. Grab your craft supplies, relax, and let's create something beautiful together. Christmas is a season of love, happiness, and creativity. Handmade decoration make every home feel warm and special because they are created with love. The best part is that you are needed expensive materials to make something amazing. For today's project, I am using simple materials that are easy to find. We will transform ordinary items into a beautiful Christmas decoration step by step. Take your time with each step because crafting is not about being perfect, it is about enjoying the creative process. Start by preparing in all materials neatly. A clean workspace make crafting much easier and more enjoyable. Carefully arrange each piece before gluing so everything looks balanced and professional. Now it's time to decorate. Add ribbons, teardrop, artificial flowers, beads, pine cones, glitter, and any decoration you feel like. You feel free to mix colors that match your Christmas theme. You can choose classic red and green, elegant white and gold, and even silver and blue for a modern look. As you continue decorating, don't rush. Small details make a big difference. Every moment, every little decoration adds beauty and give your handmade craft a unique touch. Remember, every craft is different, and that's what makes handmade creation so special. One of the best things about DIY craft is that you can personalize them however you want. You can gift them to your family, decorate your home, or even use theme as festive table decoration. Handmade gifts always carry extra love because they are made with care and creativity. If you are enjoying this tutorial so far, don't forget to support my channel by liking this video. Your support motivates me to create more beautiful and craft ideas for you every day. Also subscribe the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss my upcoming DIY project. I have many exciting Christmas craft ideas, home decoration, and creative handmade projects coming soon. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Please leave a comment below and tell me which part of today's craft video your favorite. I read your comments with a big smile and they inspire me to keep creating. If you have any craft suggestion or ideas you'd like to see next, let me know in the comments. Your ideas are always welcome and I may feature your suggestion in one of my future videos. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time with me today. Your love, support, like, comments, and share truly means the world to me. I hope you Christmas inspire you to create something beautiful for your home, your loved ones. Keep crafting, keep smiling, and always believe that creativity has no limits. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And leave a lovely comment below. I might mention your names in one of my upcoming videos. Until next time, stay safe, stay creative, and I hope you like my videos. Christmas is one of the best festival. And how are you, friends? And Christmas is almost here. Easy crafts. Christmas is coming. Christmas is around the corner. Get ready for Christmas. Christmas decor ideas. Easy Christmas crafts. DIY Christmas magic. Make your home Christmas ready. Beautiful Christmas decoration. Christmas DIY inspiration. Smile. Simple Christmas crafts. Christmas decor you love.